Ladies and gentlemen, what I have right here is the red cosmic PS5 controller. Now I did drop a bag and decided to cop the red one just because it's unique, and it did have a black one as well, but I chose the red one just because the red one looks more sleek. And like, come on bro, I know everybody's gonna get black, so just look at the red one, bro. It looks so beautiful, god damn. But yeah man, I just wanted to make a video because I just copped it. Wanted to show you guys, even if you do not have a PS5, you might still want to look at it and be like, hey, it's a beautiful red controller. You can't see right now because of the white, but yeah, we're gonna unbox it. Oh, it looks pretty. Oh my god, it looks sexy right there. All right man, so here we go, doing an unboxing video. I mean, it's just a controller, right? But you know, the PS5 controller is kind of unique nowadays since not a lot of people really have it. You can go buy the regular one, but you know, we got the red one now, so we're gonna be flexing hard. All right, so of course there's a box, right? It's just a box. Let's take out the box. Boom, that's the box. Might collect it, might just throw it away, feed it to my dog, I don't know. Look at this beautiful white. Now okay, we're just gonna go through this. I'm not finna wait no more. Yeah, they did drop the black one and the red one. Like I said, I copped the red one just because I feel like everybody was gonna get the black one, so I was like, you know, let's mix it up a little bit. From what I see, it's just this right now, so let's take it out, shall we? I believe that's all that comes with it. That's all that comes inside the box. And then you got paper. Who the fuck reads? Get this shit out. But we're gonna do it right off the box. I'm trying to look at this so I can see if it looks good on the frame. Oh my god, I'm already soaking. I'm soaking, bro. Look. Oh my god, bro, look at this, bro. Oh my, bro, look at this, bro. Bro, look at this beautiful. It might not look good on camera right now, I'm sorry, but it's not like a red. It's cosmic red. It's called cosmic red. But just look at it from a long view. Oh my god, you can even look pretty close. Look at it closely, bro. Oh, okay, I gotta look at it. I'm looking at it on camera, but dude, oh my god, this is beautiful. I'm about to bust. Yo, oh my, I already know this controller's finna be dirty after a while because my white one's kind of dirty. So I'm gonna try to get it a close-up right there. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Now it kind of looks red like from really far away. Like it looks like a dark red, right? I mean, that's what it really looks like in person. Then when you go closely, it looks kind of like a brighter red, which is not really what it is. It's kind of like a darkish violet color, but bruh, this controller is sexy. That's really all that came with it, sadly. Thought I was gonna get a, hey, thank you for spending a fucking fortune on our controllers. Here's a bonus. Nah, but like, no cap, this is beautiful. It feels great. Like, it feels brand new. Like, literally how my PS5 felt the first time I got it. All right, let's compare it next to the white one, all right? Because I do have the white one connected with me right about here. So this is the white one. You know, it is beautiful. You know, you can't deny it. Some people still cannot get, bro, it's so white, but you can literally see it, right? You got both of them. We got the white one. I have the white one on right now. The red one, I'm about to connect it ASAP, or like as soon, bro. This shit is so nice, bro. Glad I got the red one. I know the black one would look sexy too, but bro, just the red looks. I really hope that they fix the controllers because I was having a problem with it with stick drift. A lot of people have stick drift. If you don't know what stick drift is, it's basically when your controller stick, like this one right here, the one on the right, where you look around with, like it moves by itself, and that's kind of annoying and kind of stupid. So I really hope this one doesn't do it. I really hope they fix that problem. If they didn't, I'm never buying another controller again. But for right now, I'm gonna have fun with this one, bro. I'm gonna have a blast with this. Y'all gonna see hella videos everywhere. Now I'm playing. I'm not gonna post hella videos on it, but this is the first unboxing of it. I might record it on my phone just to give you guys a better look at it. Not that my phone camera is any better than anything else, but yeah, but that's besides the point. Anyways, yeah man, that's pretty much the PS5 cosmic red controller. It is so beautiful, man. Like, I did try getting a little bit of recording from a better perspective, but this is the best I could do, man. I will be using this one next. I will let you know if the stick drift does happen or not. So if any of you want to be interested in get a new controller that's a different color, this one was ran me like about 80 bucks if I'm being honest. I think the black one's cheaper by just a little bit of a couple dollars, so you depend on which one you want the best. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy the red cosmic controller. I will be using it. Stay tuned in the channel. Subscribe to my second channel already if you have not. I will be posting a lot more videos on there as well. And yeah man, hope y'all do enjoy the videos, and comment down below your opinions. Your boy's out. Peace.